Tom Holland adalah aktor muda berusia 21 tahun, asal Inggris. Tom memulai karirnya di industri film tahun 2012 melalui film The Impossible. Namanya bahkan semakin menanjak saat beradu akting dengan Chris Hemsworth dalam film In the Heart of the Sea. Namanya semakin dikenal setelah menjadi Spider-Man dalam debunya di film Captain America Civil War. Meski tidak banyak muncul, namun sosoknya mencuri perhatian karena Tom terlihat lebih muda dibanding pemeran Spider-Man sebelumnya.
Hey everyone.
Sosoknya semakin melekat dengan Spider-Man setelah film Spider-Man Homecoming diumumkan diproduksi dan segera tayang. Perjalanan audisi yang ia tempuh tidak mudah. Ia harus berulang kali mengirim video demo dan menunggu lama hingga akhirnya dipilih menjadi pemeran Spider-Man.
Can you tell me more about your audition process until you know that you're the next Spider-Man?
The audition process was crazy. It was pretty crazy, you know. It started off with me ringing my agents and saying, guys, that they're recasting Spider-Man, please get me an audition. I just really, really want to audition.
Because you're a fan of Spider-Man,
A
right?
huge fan of Spider-Man.
Okay.
So what happens is you do these things called self-tapes, where you record yourself doing a scene and you send that to the casting director at Marvel, and I guess they sift through all the people and then they go out again and you do another self-tape. So I ended up doing 5 self-tapes. And the funny thing is they were like, you're not auditioning for Spider-Man, you're auditioning for a role in Spider-Man.
Okay.
Okay. And then the second set of audition lines I had to do were as Spider-Man. So I was like,
So you're wondering,
now
is
I
it
know
for
it is.
Spider-Man
I
or-
know it's
yeah.
for Spider-Man because it says Spider-Man on the tape.
Di awal kemunculan kita tahu bahwa pemeran Peter Parker adalah Tobey Maguire yang membintangi 3 film Spider-Man. Lalu Andrew Garfield yang memainkan tokoh Peter Parker di 2 film. Tom punya cara sendiri agar Spider-Man versinya tidak kalah dibanding versi Tobey dan Andrew.
So how do you build your own version of Spider-Man? Because we've seen previously Tobey's and also Andrew's version. How do you build it?
You know, it started off by sitting down and watching all of the 5 previous movies and just sort of picking stuff that I loved and trying to, you know, pay homage to them and make sure I just didn't completely change everything. But for me, it was really about trying to ground the character in reality, you know. What would happen if you really gave a 15-year-old superpowers?
Yes.
And what I think would happen is he'd have the time of his life, you know. I don't necessarily think he would suddenly become a good guy. Like, I think if I got superpowers, I would rob a bank or something.
Yes.
But he... it was, yeah, for me, it was all about trying to ground the character in reality and really give him a goal, and his goal is to become an Avenger.
Dalam film ini, Spider-Man digambarkan mendapat bantuan dari Iron Man. Tom Holland akan beradu akting dengan Robert Downey Jr., si Tony Stark.
What's the best thing about playing a movie with Robert Downey Jr.? What you learn from him?
You know, Robert is the man. He's like the nicest dude ever. I learned so much from him in a sense that he is someone who I would consider to be at the top of his game.
Okay.
You know, and if I'm ever lucky enough to get there, I should act accordingly. You know, he's always on time. He's respectful. He's hardworking, polite, and just a really nice guy. So for me, it was a real eye-opener too. It doesn't matter how much money you make or how successful you get. You should always remain the same and treat people with respect. I got the
Tom bersyukur dapat terlibat dalam film garapan Marvel ini. Ia berharap pecinta komik Spider-Man tidak kecewa akan aktingnya memerankan tokoh idola mereka. Istiarto Sigit, Singapura.
She bought me a churro, so that was nice.